Chapter 11. Certification to Specific Purchase Requirements. Poultry programs provide certification services as well as grading services. These certification services provide volume food buyers with the ability to tailor their purchase specifications to meet their unique needs. Volume food buyers include food service operators, retailers, brokers, wholesalers, and exporters. Certification involves determining compliance with specific requirements in a purchase contract and then issuing a contract acceptance certificate verifying compliance. Demand for this type of certification or contract acceptance service continues to expand. Basically, contract acceptance involves the review and acceptance of eggs that have specific desirable attributes required by the buyer. These certification type examinations usually include grade and other quality factors that may be specific for the intended use of the product. These product-specific certification services are available to volume purchasers of eggs and can include independent third-party certification of egg quality based on U.S. or other standards. Certification that purchases meet contract specifications for quality, grade, weight, quantity, temperature, packaging, and packing, transportation, or other desired product characteristics. Assurance of product quality on a continuous basis regardless of supplier. Continuous monitoring of plant facilities and processing equipment to ensure appropriate sanitary standards are met. Assurance that plants use only USDA-approved chemicals, compounds, insecticides, and rodenticides according to manufacturer's instructions. Identification of eggs with a USDA plant number and code date to facilitate an immediate traceback if necessary. Establishment of a common language that enables buyers and sellers to communicate about egg quality and other characteristics without actually seeing the product. Establishment of a basis for fair, competitive bidding between suppliers. USDA grading specifications can help food purchasers prepare explicit egg specifications and then certify that purchases comply with these specifications. This assures purchasers that they are getting what they order, results in overall higher quality eggs, permits long-range meal planning, and eliminates controversies between the buyer and seller over compliance of the product. Pasteurized shell eggs. The pasteurization of shell eggs is a recently developed process intended to destroy any harmful, viable microorganisms, specifically Salmonella enteritis, that may be present in the egg. In 1997, a notice published in the Federal Register advised that AMS will provide a voluntary certification program for pasteurized shell eggs. Once a processor's pasteurization process is reviewed and approved by the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, the processor may request that AMS provide certain official marking and identification services that would assist them in marketing their product. Since FDA is responsible for the definitions and labeling of foods such as eggs, shell egg processors must first receive FDA authorization to use the term pasteurized in conjunction with their shell egg labeling. FDA's criterion for pasteurization is a 5 log reduction in total salmonella count. Processors must demonstrate the effectiveness of their pasteurization process by obtaining and providing FDA with data that shows their process results in the required reduction. Additionally, they must demonstrate that after pasteurization, product integrity can be ensured through the packaging, packing, and marketing process. Upon satisfaction these requirements, processors are authorized to state that their products are USDA certified pasteurized, provided that an AMS grader monitors the pasteurization process to ensure it is conducted in accordance with established requirements. For products in compliance with these requirements, the shield-shaped certified as pasteurized symbol may be placed on the packing and packaging material. Figure 64. Processors who do not wish to have their pasteurization process monitored and certified by AMS have the option of certifying that the pasteurized eggs are produced from officially graded eggs identified as U.S. Consumer Guide A, U.S. Consumer Grade A, or Grade AA, Figure 65.